Unleash the beast. This powerhouse PC build features the Intel i9 14900KF with 24 cores and 32 threads for unmatched processing power. It's cooled by the VALKYRIE V360 MERLIN ARGB liquid cooler with a 360mm radiator and vibrant ARGB lighting. The ROG Strix Z790, a gaming Wi-Fi 5 motherboard, offers top-tier connectivity, supporting Wi-Fi 6E and PCIe 5.0, and pairs perfectly with 32GB of Trident Z5 6800 RAM. The Gigabyte RTX 4070S OC 12G Eagle GPU delivers stunning graphics performance, ideal for 4K gaming and VR. With a 1TB Predator GM7000 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, load times are nearly non-existent. Power is provided by the Enermax Revolution 2GX 1050DF Gold PSU, offering 1050W of reliable power and 80+ gold efficiency. All of this is housed in the Lian L216R white case, which ensures excellent airflow and showcases your build with style. Designed to conquer any game or task, this rig combines power, speed, and stunning aesthetics.